Keep coming. Oh, you're good. A little bit more. You're good. What's up, Jay?
What's up, guys?
Guys, it's Yuri with All Street Garage. We finally got this car in, or this truck, I should say. We painted some bumpers for it. Front and rear, color match. We're about to show you guys what we're about to do with this thing. It's gonna look badass. It got in a little front end crash, and the rear bumpers had some damage on them, so we're gonna replace these. So we're going from chrome to paint match, and this is gonna be replaced as well, the top cap. So let's get this done.
So that side's off. They're all riveted. So we gotta beat those out to get this off. So that's what we're doing right now. Yeah. They're all riveted. What's going on? What are we doing over here?
Not much. Just taking off the front bumper, dude. Bitch. Go for it.
Cool.
No way, dude. What? Oh, yeah. Conquered it. Damn, Jay. This thing cut.
Big ass bolts, bro.
So it's been cut already before. Because of the lift, the wheels probably rub on it. So we're gonna test fit the other bumper and see how bad it is. If it's pretty close, then we'll leave it. But I feel like this truck had bigger tires on it before. Like it was way bigger, basically. You think it had bigger wheels maybe before?
Obviously, you can tell right here it's been cut. So when we put on the new bumpers that we ordered and painted, that it won't rub. That's all our only concern, because I really don't want to cut the bumpers if we don't have to.
Exactly.
Because they're brand new, so.
New.
Hopefully we can test fit them first. And they won't rub, because honestly, they'll probably only come out another 2 inches or 3 most, so we'll see.
You got it?
Yep. So pretty much we got all this torn down. This plastic part right here was just held on by clips. We took the clips off the old one. We're about to put it on the new one. It just takes time, so let's get it.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Pull up your pants, bro. Oh my lord, bro. I just want to put this bumper on, bro. I want to see any of that shit.
This video has nudity in it.
Contents of this video.
Viewer discretion is advised. Right?
Parental discretion is advised.
Holy shit, dude.
Charge extra for showing tone. That one ain't in. Is it centered? Well, that ain't countersunk very well.
so we got everything back to its original stage. Just putting on the license plate, and then we'll come over here and put it on and see if it rubs. Hopefully it doesn't rub.
Don't fuck up
The trim on.
Is it right? It matches pretty good too. Color looks good. The color looks good, of course. From APS.
Yeah, they were good.
Paint was mixed by Leslie at APS.
Not sponsored.
We were not sponsoring APS, but they did a great job on the paint. Except we painted it, huh, Jay? Jordan.
On the ground over there in the pile.
Gary.
In the
In with the new, out with the old.
Why are you so aggressive?
Whoa, bro. Put this bitch on, you guys.
You know what I like about you, Yuri?
What?
Nothing.
Wow.
It's on. Slap that old back on the truck.
Let's go here.
I got you. Keep filming. Make sure you hold the flare out far enough so I don't fuck it on that side. 3 lineup pins in the middle.
Oh shit, sorry.
Damn. Oh, I love when it clicks in. Huh?
You got them 7s going back on?
Yes, so.
You want the gun?
Is it good, dude?
Yeah, you're good. Good on this side. Let's check out the other side. It's close, but you're good. Okay, other way. Yeah, you got 2 inches of clearance. You're good.
Well, we're done with this one. Alrighty, guys. Well, we got the truck done. Like I said, we did the front and rear bumpers, painted and matched them, obviously, to the truck. Looks way better than chrome, obviously. I mean, literally, like, I don't like chrome, but I love paint match, so it looks great. Josh did the installation. He did a great job. He fixed a bunch of stuff on it. I mean, look at this shit. Looks great.
It does look good. And we weren't able to figure out the headlight situation. Like, we checked the fuses. I'm guessing it's a broken wire or something.
Just something weird, yeah.
Because this side's working. And we tried to turn the high beams on and everything, but it still wouldn't come on. So I bet it's a broken wire or something. Because how I said, we checked the fuses and they were all good still. So, but the bumper came out good.
Color looks great. Paint matched really well with everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, this truck probably just needs a really good detail and she'll be perfect. I love this color too. But thank you guys for watching. We're gonna go deliver this. It's a little late, but please like, share, and subscribe on our video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you once again.